The ultimate tool replacement guide. What Zenler replaces. Creators are drowning in monthly subscriptions. You're using a course platform, a membership app, an email tool, a funnel builder, a webinar service, a community platform, and 5 other things. One business, 10 to 15 different tools. That's like £300 to £600 a month with constant tech headaches. But in 2026, creators realize something important. You don't need more tools. So what gets replaced? All-in-one platform replaces your course hosting with unlimited courses, modules, video hosting. It replaces your membership platform with reoccurring billing and membership dashboard. It replaces your community app with real channels, groups, posts, and notifications. It replaces your email marketing with broadcast sequence, tagging, and automations. And it replaces your funnel builder with sales funnel, webinar funnels, and unlimited landing pages. Even more replacements. You also replace your webinar tool with live webinar, evergreen replays, and registration pages. You replace your checkout system with optimized checkout, upsells, and payment plans. You replace your website hosting with a built-in website builder and blog. You replace your automation tools with behavior-based triggers and email workflows. And you replace your digital product delivery with instant downloads and bundles. Everything talks to everything natively. The real cost comparison. Most creators using separate tools pay between $380 to $1,050 per month, which is $4,560 thousand to $12,600 per year. Many creators don't even realize they're spending this much. All-in-one platforms cost between $49 and $149 per month and include everything, which is $588 to $1,788 per year. You save $3,000 to $10,000 every year. Creators who switch says it pays for itself in the first month. All-in-one platforms give you complete business systems with one login, one support team, and one place to manage everything. You get courses, memberships, communities, emails, funnels, webinars, coaching, checkout, automations, and analytics with no integration headaches. No scattered data and no tech overwhelm. The future of creator businesses is simple.